passion. Passion. I love this thing here. So right now I'm dealing with the decision of, keeping my mission on the national team, my job there, or going to other challenges. I've been for 24 years in the national team, so maybe it's time to look for other kind of challenges. But it's hard to take this decision because it's what I love doing. Every morning I come here to the club, I go national team, and I go wanting to go. But for the first time in my whole career, finishing the Olympics at the beginning, I thought about maybe it's time to, and that's what kind of a lighted a red sign, or a yellow sign, like alert. For the first time, I was thinking about what to do in the future, in the near future. But what kept me going is passion. I love what I do. I love the process. It's not about winning, losing. It's not about the match, the lights, the media, or the popularity. It's about being here. No one watching us, but we're doing what we want to do.